on, Matthew? What's going on? Is it a windstorm?
I know. I just said that. Hey, Nick, you're the cat.
Where are we, Nick?
In Fredericton.
In Fredericton. Are you cold?
Yeah.
Oh, guys, I think it's raining. We better get back in the truck.
Yeah, maybe.
Back.
The cyclone's probably gonna start.
The cyclone is starting?
Maybe.
I don't know. It's pretty crazy. Holy cow!